So, what is the process of tax relief? How does it work? What do tax attorneys, tax relief firms, tax resolution experts do to resolve a tax problem? How does it work? There's three phases to fixing a tax problem, and I liken it. Well, first of all, let me tell you what they are: assessment phase, compliance phase, implementation phase. Now, those are three big words, and you're probably yawning, but don't. I'm going to bring this down to just a practical level. What if today your vehicle was stopped on the side of the road? You had to get towed in to get your car fixed, your car, your truck. You'd get to the repair shop, and of course, you're going to ask right away, you're going to ask the service writer, what's wrong with my car? How long is this going to take? And how much is it going to cost? And what is the repair shop personnel going to say to you? They're going to say, I don't know. I have to put it up on a lift. I have to get under the hood. Let me take some readings, put some scopes on it. And I'll figure out what's wrong. Then we'll, figure out what parts we need to get this job done. And then once we get all the parts in place, we'll fix it. And I'll be able to give you an estimate of the time and the cost. It's really similar to fixing a tax problem. Let's say you're behind on your tax filings. You haven't filed for a few years, or maybe you filed all those years, but you owe 15 or 50 or $500,000. There's a process to getting this fixed. And the first phase is the assessment phase, right? Just the same way as the auto shop is going to pop the hood, take some readings, put your car on a computer and scope, see what's wrong. That's the assessment phase. What does that mean in tax relief work? Well, we're going to get a complete record of your IRS account, number one. We want to know what does the IRS know? How much do you owe? What are the penalties? What are the interests? What's the collection statute expiration date? Um, can we get some penalties removed? What's their next step? What can we do to preempt? So we want to know everything the IRS knows. We're also going to reach out to you and we're going to ask for some financial information. We want to know your income and your expenses and the equity you have in your assets. So if we got your financial profile and we know what the IRS knows, now we're in a position to put a game plan together, a battle plan that can disrupt what they're going to do and get you the most advantageous a program to resolve your taxes. So that's step one, assessment. Step two, after the auto shop pops the hood, they're going to see what parts are needed. Well, in IRS world, this is called compliance. Are you in compliance? You can't get past first base with the IRS. You can't get any resolution, any payment agreement, any agreement not to levy your bank account or garnish your paycheck until all your returns are filed and until you're currently, for the current year, paying enough taxes to cover the liability, meaning either enough withholdings out of your paycheck or estimated quarterly payments on your business or investment income. They want to know you've got your returns filed. They want to know you're not continuing to just get into more tax debt this year, that you're in compliance, and now they're in a position to establish some type of resolution on your back taxes. So that's step two, compliance. Step three is the implementation or the fix it phase, right? We figured out what's wrong. We opened the hood. We got the parts. Now we're going to fix it. The fix it phase or the implementation phase in tax resolution work is the actual work of negotiating the payment plan, getting it within something that you can afford, or submitting an offer in compromise, putting together all the paperwork that's needed to get this done, submitting it to the IRS, getting management approval, making sure that it's posted to your transcript and that they've actually followed through. That can take 60 to 90 days or more, but that's the fix it phase. So that's how the process of getting an IRS problem resolved looks like. Figure out what's wrong, do an assessment, parts, make sure you're in compliance, fix it, implement a tax solution program that's best suited to your finances, your debt, and your personal and financial situation. So if this has helped you, please click the like button and please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribers are really big with me. And hey, share this video with someone else who might need it. It really is possible to put your tax debt behind you permanently. It really is possible to get a fresh start. Don't fall for all the fear mongering and the stoking of the flames of fear that tax relief firms do in their advertising. move from a sense of getting a clarity and control on your tax situation, and then you'll start to get peace of mind because you've got a professional working for you to help you resolve your tax problem. I'm Jim Flauaus. Follow for more, and we'll see you next time.